Before we start, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a quick and easy Google Sheets tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to hide rows in Google Sheets based on a cell value, perfect for cleaning up your view so you only see the data you need. First, open your browser, go to sheets.google.com and sign in to your Google account. Then open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Identify the column that contains the values you want to filter. For example, you might have a status column showing not started, in progress and completed. Click the header of that column to highlight it. Then right click and choose create a filter. This will add small green filter icons to the header row. Now click the filter icon in your chosen column. A drop down will appear with all possible values in that column. Simply uncheck the values you don't want to see. For example, uncheck not started and in progress if you only want to view completed tasks. Click OK and instantly Google Sheets will hide all rows that don't match your selection, leaving you with a clean, focused view. And that's it. You've just learned how to hide rows based on cell values. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets guides.